Let's have a quick recap on what milk tea is all about. The three main ingredients for milk tea is tea, milk, and sweetener. Last week, I showed you how you can make your own homemade sweetener that actually cut costs and at the same time make your drink healthier. So today, what I'm going to cover is the second most important ingredient of milk tea, and that is milk. In another previous video, I have shown you how we make the milk syrup, which we use for all of our coffee and tea drinks here at Chao. And this time, we're going to make a simple drink, brown sugar grass jelly milk tea. So let me show you exactly how we make our milk syrup in advance. 2 cans of condensed milk and 1 can of evaporated milk. Mix them together in a jug. Scrape the inner of the can, you don't want anything left behind. What you're looking for is a condensed milk that actually is cream in color. Some of them that are available in the market are too white. The creamy color actually makes the drink look better. Now let's put our 1 can of evaporated milk in. And then stir them well. After you make it, make sure you put it in a carafe, a bottle or a jar that you can use for when you need it, when you prepare your milk tea or coffee. One thing you need to know about milk syrup is that it must be kept refrigerated. It is milk-based, so it is possible that it will spoil if you keep it out of the refrigerator. So now we have our milk syrup, let's make our milk tea. We are going to use 22-ounce cup for this milk tea. The formula is 5 ounces of brewed tea, which I have brewed previously using the French press. So that's 5 ounces of brewed tea. For the milk syrup, I usually use 2.5 ounces for a 22-ounce cup. But for this time, I'm going to use only 2 ounces. And I'll tell you why in a bit. So there you go, 2 ounces of milk syrup. Using the milk syrup, you don't need to put sugar because it is sweet in itself. So now let's put our grass jelly as sinkers. Grass jelly is perfect for any kind of drinks. It's not only healthy, it's also yummy, chunky, chewy. And then let's put ice. And there's your sinker at the bottom, and then the ice. And let's put our brown sugar syrup. And the reason why I only put 2 ounces of milk syrup is because of the additional brown sugar syrup, which we will spread along the sides of the cup like a drizzle, creating a tiger effect. Now let's put our milk tea mixture in the cup. And there's your beautiful brown sugar milk tea with grass jelly as sinkers. Let's add a little bit more excitement to this drink. Let's add a milk foam on top. And this time I'm going to use an electric handheld frother using condensed milk, evaporated milk, and now the fresh milk. So this drink has a lot of different milks in it. There's a separate video on how to make milk foam. If you haven't seen it, check it out. So the drink is starting to look so yummy. You're going to love it. This is now our classic brown sugar grass jelly milk tea. This time, we just used our liquid creamer. Let's give it a try. Wow, it's so good. It just has the right milky taste, creamy because of the milk foam that was put on top. It's perfect. So there you have it, brown sugar grass jelly milk tea using the liquid creamer, which makes it easier for us to prepare our drinks. So all the best in your milk tea and coffee shops. I hope you learned something new today. In the meantime, Thank you for watching, and ciao for now.